Hi everyone, hi. So today we are going to do something very simple. We're going to learn how to design this beautiful match day flyer. Okay, Barcelona versus Real Madrid. It's a very beautiful design, and I want to take us through step by step. At the end of the video, you will be able to design this very nicely. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm going to zoom so that you can see how beautiful it looks like. Okay, so this is how the video looks, the design looks like. Yeah. So I'm going to just delete this and that. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Yes, so we're going to zoom it in and then we see it as it looks like. It's going to be an amazing journey, and trust me, you'll be very happy to watch till the very end. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks like. All right, so let's go and start with the design. Okay, so let's minimize and then we go for a new screen and increase this. So the background color is next. Let me just put it here so that we see hash 02617C. Okay, good. Now the next thing we have is a rectangle that is slanted. So just press R on your PC. If you are using a mobile phone, you can just go and then bring rectangle. Okay. All right. The next thing we'll do is to bring Lamine Yamal. So it's already in the uploads. So we'll just go to my uploads and then I'll bring Lamine Yamal. But just because of time, okay? Because of time. Okay, it's here now. So I'll just bring him here. And then you realize that with this design, we have to reduce this part and then go to apps. And then under apps, you search for image blender. You see that here, image blender. And then when you get to image blender, the goal is that Lamine Yamal should blend with the rectangle here. Okay. So whilst image blender is loading, we can change the color of this to um, dark red, and the color code for dark red. Let me just put it here. It is hash 6A1220. Okay, so kindly get that. Okay, now the image blender is here. Just tap on it when it comes, and we want to blend it from the bottom up so that we won't have that sharp edge for Lamine Yamal. Okay, so it's loading. When it comes, we'll just make it very uh, beautifully. Okay, and before that, let's increase the size a little. Okay, our image blender is here. So linear, we pick linear. Okay, we pick linear. Just go back to radial and then come back to linear again. And then as you can see, we pull it up here. And then you go on done. When that happens, beautiful. You can see, right? It blends perfectly. It blends perfectly now. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to bring the other player down there. So we go to our uploads. And don't forget that you can have all the files here. I'll put it in the description. I've saved all the files that you need for the work in this folder. I'll share the link in the description so that you can have access to all of them. Okay, so we go and then upload the next picture, that is this very picture. We flip it so that it faces here as seen, reduce it a little, and then with this we have to add shadow so that it looks realistic. So we go to elements, then we type shadow. Okay, it's already here, so shadow, and then we bring it down here, reduce a little. Do we decrease the opacity? Okay, we decrease the opacity, bring it here, and then we duplicate it. For here we have to make it small so that it's pointed for the tip of the cake. Right? Yes. We can reduce the opacity a little again. Good. Now we have to bring the football. So we just type football. Okay, and then the football comes. Make sure it's under photos. You reduce it a little, and then you bring it to the side. Yes, and then with the football too, we need to give it a shadow. So you duplicate the shadow, and then you put it down there. You reduce it a little, and then let's zoom in a little so that we can know what we are doing. Yes. So now we know what we are doing, right? Good. Perfect. Now the next thing we have to do is to bring the Barcelona flag. So we go back to uploads, and then we take the Barcelona flag, we increase it, and then we take it to the back. So you come to position, layers, you take it down to the back. Can you see that? Yes. You can increase it a little. And then what we can do now is to reduce the opacity to 13. Go to edit and then blur it. Okay. Whole image, blur up to 10. Then go back. Wonderful. We can decide to reduce the opacity again to maybe 5. Right? Good. Now the next thing we have to do, you see that sharp white thing under the Barcelona flag. Let's just take it up a little to remove that white thing from there. So now this is what we have. You see that this is what we have. We want to do this, but this is what we have. Okay. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring the stadium. Right, this stadium right here. You can set stadium and then bring it in there. Right, and then with this stadium too, we want to take it back. Right, but then we want it to be on top of the red. Yes, so that that effect is felt here too. All right. So we are making headsway, right? So now the next thing we have to do is to bring the flags, right? So again, we bring the Barcelona flag, we put it here, and then we go for the Madrid flag as well, and then we bring that to here. Let's increase it so that we can make it look nice. Yes. Okay, so let's take it here and take Bases onto here. Reduce a little. Reduce this to a little. We ensure that they are all the same, right? And then we can now round the Barcelona and the Madrid, and then we can also round the Barcelona, right? Okay, so this is what we have. Let's check here and then come back. So what we have to do is that we have to reduce them a little so that the text can be there. So we reduce both of them a little, right, and push to the top. Good. Now the text, Barcelona versus Real Madrid. Choose Montserrat. Montserrat. Okay. Then Real Madrid enter versus Barcelona. Copy all and make sure it is left aligned. Left aligned. Decrease the line height so that it can look very nice. Okay, then we can reduce it a little. You can make the verses yellow. It's optional, but then it makes it look nicer. Can you see that? Yes. Okay. So you can choose to keep it in a small letter, or in caps. Okay. And then the next thing we can do is to add the match one. So let's just duplicate this, and then we put match one over there, and then we also have kickoff down there. Before we add the kickoff, let's add the La Liga. All these are in the drive, so you can have access to them. So I want to add the La Liga, and I'll remove the background. Okay, good. So La Liga is here, but I don't want to use the black text, so I'll just remove this text from there, and then I can duplicate this and then make it La Liga nicely here like this. You see that? I'll put that here, and then the next thing I would want to do is to bring a shadow. And then take this black gradient, turn it 180 degrees, bring it here to cover the bottom part, because I would want to put a text there, right? I can decrease the opacity, and then I'll duplicate this text, bring it down here, and put kick off, and then down there I write 6 p.m. GMT, right? Amazing. So we'll end here and continue in our second video.